Want to free up some precious storage space on your PC and play your games without any hassle? Let's get into how to move Epic Games to another drive. First, close the Epic Games launcher completely. Make sure it's not running in the system tree either. Then, it's time to locate your installed games. Typically, they're in your Program Files folder, or specifically under the Epic Games folder within. Once you've found your Epic Games folder, navigate to the drive where your games are currently installed. For example, the C drive is often the default. Now it's time to prepare for the move. To start the moving process, open a File Explorer window. Now, choose either Copy or Cut. Copy will create a copy of the entire folder on the new drive, keeping the original on the current drive. Cut will completely move the folder from the original drive to the new one. Choose the option you prefer and prepare for the next step. Now go to the location on the new drive where you want to store your games. Then, right-click and select Paste. The time that it takes to fully paste will depend on the size of the games and connection speed of your drive. Once the transfer is complete, you can start the next step with the Epic Games Launcher open. Open the Epic Games Launcher, go to Settings, then find the section called where you can choose to change games to another drive. Select a new location for the future games. With the games now moved to the new drive location, there might be games installed with missing files. In this case, select the game and click on the Install. The Epic Game Launcher will detect the current game files in the new drive location with the original data, saving you the need to reinstall the game. Now, give it a shot and get ready to enjoy smooth gaming. Don't forget to like this video if it helped and subscribe for more gaming tips. #EpicGamesMove #Storage Management.